I heard you're here for the room tour. Hi. So this is my room. Okay, first, look at this tripod I got. Isn't this so cool? I got this off of TikTok shop. So you walk into my room and you have these posters. I used to have hyperfixation on Amphibian, the Owl House, and like a bunch of Disney shows in quarantine. So that's where this poster is from in high school. Then this is a print that I got, well my sister got, I don't know where she got it. There's some pictures. Then you move over here. I have flower that my friend got, and then I also got this Shira thingamabobber that my friend also gave me, and then these two things are from when I went to Disney. Then I have a light stick and I have an Olivia signed CD. Very cool, very cool. I have my shoe tray things because before, like, my shoes used to be all over the place. So this is also another shelf. I have my grab cap. I have this bottle that I got from the Global Citizens concert and a fake plant. Then I have this picture that my sister drew and some pictures of my family members. Then you come to this abomination. Most of the time, it wouldn't be this messy. Oh my, guys, wait, please. Books from last summer when I wanted to read. I only fully read The Love Hypothesis and The Henna Wars. This is where I keep my jewelry. Also kind of crazy right now. Crocheted this for me. Then over here I have my CD player that was trending over quarantine. I have Cat Noir. Then you go over and I have more Miraculous Ladybug. I have Adrian and I have a mini Cat Noir and Ladybug right there. She's looking a little rough, but it's okay. It's one of her off days. Pigeon board, DVDs per se, not DVDs. God. I have more Polaroids over here, and yeah. And then I have a signed postcard, and I also have a signed poster. I also have another print over there. And if you come over here, I have a bunch of pictures, and when my friends get me bouquets of flowers, I like to keep one and then I just put it on my wall no matter what. So throughout my room, I'll just have like different pieces. My windows, I have a lot of my medication on here. The bed, nothing much to see. I have a lot of stuffed animals. I have Nick Wilde, King from the Owl House, and I have Chimmy, and I have Domino, and Cat in the Hat, and other things. And then I have that alcohol thing. I just keep like my tote bags in the corner of my bed, and then I keep like my headbands and my earpuffs over there. Yeah, so then but once you turn around, I was mostly a girl group member, a girl group stan. You go down here. I got these from a garage sale from my neighbor who passed away, and then her family decided to sell her belongings. But it's aesthetic, so you come over to the corner where it's my mirror. A big check alert. King. And then I also have another flower that one of my friends gave me. Yeah. Then I have Happy, and I have these are just some of the banners I got from concerts that I went to. I think I went to a total of maybe like 6 or 7 K-pop concerts, but these are the ones that had the fan signs. This is where I usually plan out my week. I haven't in a while. Go up here, I have some more stickers. I have BMO that I made a long time ago. The Owl House, my friend, she's an artist. She does really good commissions, so. Then you go over here. Yeah, I got this from the Toys Closet. I thought it was cute. Then I got this beret. Super cool, super cool. Yeah, I think that's it. That's all in my room. And then you go, actually no. You come here and then, yeah.